that something new? Is that a dollhouse? A little dolly?
Wow.
Cool.
Does he have a bed?
Oh.
That's where they can sleep, right?
Oh, and he has pillows and a blanket like you. That's his little pillow.
Oh, a
Is that where he washes
sink where
his
they can wash
hands?
their hands.
Liam, looking good.
Wow.
Liam, you can put him in the house. Yeah, that's their little house.
Oh,
with the
sorry, Liam.
dolls. Here. It's a little house for the dollies.
Yeah.
He can play with these too. Look, you get one and he gets one. You can put them in their bed, and they can do all kinds of stuff.
Neat. Oh, thank you. Hello. Oh. Look, these even stand, don't they? Look at
Cool.
that.
Hey, Jane, what do you think?
He's playing too.